Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie. I'm at Aldi. It's a Friday night, and my girls are having their middle school pool party tomorrow. So we're getting all the things for pool party food. They made the list, they invited the friends, and somehow I'm on the line for the bill. Make it make sense. Oh, well, I guess it's mom duty. Are you guys ready to go shop?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, we need potato chips. So they're gonna get one of the family size ridged and one of the sour cream and cheddar. Family size is $2.59. Sour cream and cheddar is $2.19. Okay, we're gonna get 5 of these hot dog buns. They're $1.29 a piece. We're gonna get 4 hot dog packs, but 5 buns because some people might make hot dog-less buns filled with the toppings. And by some people, I mean my daughter, Mila. Do you want raspberry or strawberry? Raspberry? Okay, we're...
Raspberry.
Huh? Okay, we'll switch from strawberry to raspberry. So we're gonna get 3 raspberry lemonades. $1.99 a piece. Okay, final consensus. 2 raspberry, 1 strawberry. They can be mixed. We're gonna get pickle popcorn. Elsie's gonna get 2 bags. They're $1.99 a piece. This is actually requested by one of Elsie's best friends. She knows we love pickle popcorn. Mackenzie wanted it, right?
Yes.
So let's see it. Getting 2 bags, easy pool snack. We are going to get 4 packs of the uncured beef franks, $3.29. I normally get my hot dogs from Costco, but I think these will be good, and I'm not going to Costco today, so 4 of these at $3.29 a piece. Okay, this has absolutely nothing to do with the pool party, but I want mini avocados, so I'm going to get a bag at $3.79. Okay, we have ketchup and mustard, but I would hate to run out tomorrow, so I'm gonna get a ketchup at $1.85, and I'm gonna get another mustard at 95 cents. If we don't need them tomorrow, it's always nice to have extra of these on hand. These are another pool favorite, the pub style pretzels, because they're so good on their own. And we're gonna have 2 bags of these. They're $1.99 a piece, but I hope we don't bust into 2, but with a whole bunch of middle schoolers, you don't know, especially those boys. $1.99, we're gonna get 2 of them. Okay, this is what happened when you bring your kids. Milo asked me to get these bars, chocolate coconut. She just saw them, she said they sounded good, so even though she's not keto or low carb, I'm gonna let her try them at $3.79. Unfortunately, they have no chip dip here, so good thing we're going to Walmart after this. There's a reason we went to Aldi first. Once again, this is nothing related to the pool party, but since we're here and I need it, I'm getting cat litter, $5.89. Okay, we're trying to get a nice variety of frozen snacks as they're swimming. It's going to be in the 90s tomorrow. I know the pool's refreshing, but we want other refreshing things, so we're going to get a thing of ice cream sandwiches and orange cream bars. $2.85 for ice cream sandwiches and $3.15 for the last box of ice cream bars, and we're going to get popsicles too. Okay, so I'm not here for the plants, but $8.99 they have these really pretty plants for all you plant people. This seems like a good value. Okay, our total was $60.94. We had to check out twice because the girls tried stealing the cat litter, but we got it all situated, and now we're gonna head to Wally World. Okay, we're at Menards to get some pool fun supplies, not necessarily the groceries. Okay, we're at Menards and we're getting some floats, either $2.99, so we're gonna get a swim tube tire. We have unicorn. We have a sloth. A koala and another sloth. So we're getting 5 different ones at $3 a piece. Okay, we're gonna get some more goggles. We're gonna get 6 of them, 3 packs. 3 per pack. We're gonna get 2 packs at $10 a piece. And then we're also getting 2 packs of mosquito repellent for the 4th of July. Kel saw these on clearance. They're a little over $1 a piece, and he asked to get these. So I don't know if they'll be helpful, but at least they won't hurt. Our Menards haul. Okay, we spent $39.68. Obviously, a lot of the stuff isn't consumable, so we'll still have it after the pool party, but we're gonna be much better prepared. Now we can get the groceries. We always like going to Menards for lots of fun things. They kind of have like a toy aisle, and we never really know what's going to be in there, but they always have lots of cool or different pool supplies, pool chemicals. It's fun to go in there. Okay, we are going to get this veggie tray, and then Mila's gonna make her own fruit tray, which we have a lot of fruit on hand at home. $10.97 for this. But we have a lot of fruit at home that we're gonna use up, and she's getting a little bit more. The girls wanna get a pineapple, $2.08. They're just picking the perfect one. What makes the perfect pineapple?
More yellowness on the outside.
Okay.
I don't know.
That one right there looks pretty yellow.
This one looks pretty.
That looks pretty good. On top of pineapple, we also need strawberries for our fruit tray, and these are $4.38 for 2 pounds. Elsie's gonna grab one. Does that not look like the least to you though?
This one?
Yeah. I mean, you can grab whatever.
Here, this one.
That one looks the best to me. Short and sweet, it says. Okay, we're gonna get 3 Dr. Thunders for the party, and then we're actually gonna try the Zero Sugar Dr. Thunder. They're $1 a piece, so we're gonna get 4 of these. Okay, we did a little rearranging. We're gonna put 1 Dr. Thunder back, and we're gonna get 2 root beers and 2 of the Twist Ups. They're also $1 a piece. So we're getting 6 2 liters for the party and 1 for just us to try. Okay, yay, Walmart to the rescue. They have Dean's French onion dip, 16 ounces for the chippies.
This one?
Yeah. And I fully acknowledge we have probably bought way too many chips, but we're just not gonna run out. $2.34 for that. Okay, problem with kids shopping. They see things they want. Elsie wants these Reese's Puffs bars. They're $6.54. Let me see your best please face. Fine. Yes, so we're gonna get 2 Freedom Pops for the party, $1.87. Mila's on that. And then for our house, my kids love these. The Philly Swirl, $3.15. 12 different pops of those. Okay, we're just cutting through this aisle on our way to check out. Here's our cart. But we saw these. We are big fans of grenadine, but we've never really seen the blueberry. And we're gonna get that just to make some fun summer drink. It's $3.98. I don't know why, but it looked fun, so Elsie's gonna grab it. Okay, I was really tempted to add this spicy lime margarita wine cocktail. It's on clearance, but you know what? Do I need it? No. I'm gonna walk away. But all this clearance, you know how clearance talks to me, and margaritas talk to me, and spicy talks to me. It's hard, but I'm gonna put it away. Okay, I'm also gonna get these. I'm a little worried that kids are going to use the big cups and throw them away and run out of cups that they want. So these are gonna be our backup cups. They're $4.68 for 100 cups. And it's just always good to have them on hand. So whether we start with the yellow ones from the Dollar Tree or just start with these, I don't know. We do have a marker for kids to label. Can't leave her without spending more. So this is Nescafe Ice Roast. You just mix it with cold water to make an iced coffee. It is $6.48, but I'm pretty excited to try this, so I'm gonna give it a go. It says it's 100% pure coffee, so this is something that I would drink while fasting. That'll be nice to have on hand. Okay, I didn't think they had this, but then they delighted me. They have a squeezed dill relish, $1.68. My family likes dill so much more than sweet, and I think it'll be nice to have at the party. So we're gonna have ketchup, mustard, diced onion, and dill relish. Very simple, but kind of covers the bases. $1.68. Plus, we don't have any relish at home, so yay. Okay, here is my cart. Any guesses on the total? As a reminder, we already went to Aldi for food. We went to Menards for pool party supplies. And then for all the paper, the plates, all that stuff, we went to the Dollar Tree. So this is our last stop. Tomorrow I might have to go get ice, but I'll show you a little setup now as the pool party's going. It's a lot of fun to throw these, and even if they're expensive, my girls love them, and it's fun to get to know all their classmates year after year. It's worth the money and the effort. Okay, we saw these on the clearance as we're going to check out. I'm having a hard time just walking away. $1. We'll get them. Okay, we are also adding during our checkout gum for $4.12. Our total is $63.19. Now we just have to get ready for the party, but with Video Magic, you get to see it right now. We really enjoyed hosting this pool party. The food and the snacks were great. We had lots left over, but it's a really fun time and definitely worth the investment to have a fun, safe place for our kids and their friends to hang out. And if you want to see our pool party haul from last year, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.